Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Citibank secure access step by step clearly. Open your preferred internet browser. Type in the URL for Citibank in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the Citibank homepage. On the homepage, locate the sign on button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on the sign on button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. In the first input field, enter your user ID. Ensure that your user ID is entered correctly. In the second input field, enter your password. Double-check your password for accuracy. Once both fields are filled, look for the Sign On button on the page. Click the Sign On button to log into your account. If you entered the information correctly, you will be taken to your Citibank dashboard. In case you forgot your user ID or password, click on the appropriate link provided on the login page. Follow the prompts to recover or reset your credentials. If you encounter any issues during the login process, check for any error messages displayed. Ensure your internet connection is stable for a smooth login experience. For enhanced security, consider enabling two-factor authentication if you have not done so already. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard features. Now you are ready to manage your accounts securely on Citibank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.